So I just kept die. Kaije yota ji n'obodo akpogo akpo. Okay, us not go hard or go home. I not ka ibia blue ji.
There has always been arguments about if Igbo people can produce their own food without depending on other parts of Nigeria, especially the north. Now, I want to use this video now to explain something. This place is Anambra State, the Omambala part of Anambra State, the riverline area of Anambra State, and all this yam produce was by one man. One man is the owner of this barn. He's the owner of his own farm. And mind you, he does this without sophisticated equipment. He does this without grants, agricultural grants. He does this just by his own, no help. He is doing his own thing. Now, could you imagine the level of productivity that will come in if this man has agro grants, has all those sophisticated equipments, all those chemicals, and even has access to some researches that will help to improve his farm and his farming? That would tell you that this man can be 10 times even more productive. And we have so many of this kind of farmer scattered all over Igbo. They don't have grants. They don't have sophisticated equipment. They don't even have research. They don't have access to research to know how to improve on the breed or to improve on their farming. But they are this productive. That tells you that there are so many potentials in an Igbo when it comes to farming. Igbo can actually feed themselves if they have access to grants and have sophisticated equipment for farming, for agriculture, and have access to some information that will help improve whatever they are doing. This is massive, guys. One man could produce this. One man owns this huge barn. Man, if it was in those days, in the olden days, Aboy DG, like a wealthy person, a very wealthy person, because those days, wealth is measured by the amount of yam you have in your barn. You can see, this is massive. This is very impressive. If one man could do this, much more people can do it with help, with grants, with sophisticated equipment, tractors and the rest, with access to information, to research on how to improve on their farming business. Watch this video with me and it will surely blow your mind because this is so inspiring.
I just kept die. Kaije yota ji n'obodo akpogo akpo. Okay, us not go hard or go home. I not ka ibia blue ji. Go hard or go home. We are home. We are home. Neji nke mmebu antine nke nche. Ji mbavulu. Nke aka na-akpọ mbavulu ji. This is the best yam to eat. At the comment section, careful na ojia. How do you like this one? This yam, this size. Nya bụ mbavulu ji n'ebe anyị. Ọ na-atọka. Yeah, above the thing. Go hard or go home. Ndị a bụ ndị a na-aka akọ. Anyị akọgharị ndị nwe. Anyị akọgharị ndị nwe. Ji ngulu mana. Ka bodam bịa ka ọ kọwatọpụ ndị fafụ. No, go hard. Go hard onwe ebe bodam ji ebe eme. Go hard or go home. Anyị wee nata ka enye anyị ji. Ji. But ewo, ji ka dịkwa n'ime ntị. N'ene anya nụ. Oh, everywhere nụ. Na ịbịa n'ọba ji and a half. Wow. Adema anazide. If I go home, make I know why. If I go hard, make I know why. N'enu ji. Anti sie yi bubu. Esuo anya asuo. Ime ji mmanụ. Ime ya porridge. Ime ya sauce. nen Paul di ele ka mma awo bora ke na akpoji nke
ọ nna m Okechi na ọgbọ
adaka aya aki akọ ko bu ele ndị ele wow ewu ọ bụ na mgbe gboo asị na onye abụ bụ diji ọ nya dị ive enwe nene anya m ati ọbụrụ m ka ị na-abụ abịara ka na-akpọ nke awa na-ekpe aya aka akọ nke nnu adaka ka eji mgbabụla amara m nwa ka na-akpọ nke awa na-adaka nwa bere ka na-akpọ nke ma eyelizi eli wow
ka ebe akpọ nke
ụta akụ gị mma be ebidote ụta akụ
o wee tọgbuo n'onwe ya
go hard or go home. I am back home. Omo free food a na-atọka mmata nkma nje na bagala onwe m ụla ka abụrụ ka na-echewe isi ihe gaa na 1 million ba anyị bụ gbadaga na mmiri na mgbede ekula azụ gweta ọsọ a na lipu nri wamụwa asa onye ama mbala ka mma abụ ma bụ Igbo ake na ụkwa ma enwe 10 million nwere azụ friji na-esi ofe ka nnukwa